When should you consider upgrading to Managed VPS Hosting? While all businesses need a website, not all of them have the capability to maintain it. Managed VPS Hosting is an assisted hosting service that is maintained by the hosting provider. Here are some signs that tell you it's time to upgrade to Managed VPS Hosting. Your site traffic is increasing. Shared hosting is a capable platform, but as your site's footfall increases, so should your resources. Managed VPS Hosting allows effortless scaling of resources, which ensures a consistent performance. You want high uptime. People prefer a stable website, and frequent downtimes will drive away your users. Managed VPS Hosting offers 99.9% uptime, which makes sure that your website remains available 24/7. You want robust security. Security is a prominent concern for all websites, especially those that deal with sensitive user data. Managed VPS Hosting offers robust security for a website with isolation and layered security. You want better performance. A server's configuration plays a big role in determining a website's performance. In Managed VPS Hosting, the server is set up by a team of experts, thus ensuring optimum performance. You want quality support. In the event of a website crash, the longer the downtime extends, the more harm it will cause. Managed VPS Hosting bundles live 24/7 support that tackles all issues before they cause problems. Reseller Club's Managed VPS Hosting offers customized server setup with application optimization, specialized support, and proactive monitoring. Give your website a robust, high-performance hosting platform that is backed by a team of experts.